Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the concept of pronouns. Read the sentences given below. Saina is a sports person. Saina plays badminton. I am participating in a competition with Saina. Students, here I have repeated this noun Saina thrice. It does not sound that good. But if I replace these words, this noun, with some other words, for example, Saina is a sports person, she plays badminton, I am participating in a competition with her, then these sentences become a lot better. So, students, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. The word pronoun means for a noun. So instead of saying Ram has a pen, Ram writes with a pen, we say Ram has a pen, he writes with it. He and it are pronouns. She and her are also pronouns. So now you know what are pronouns. Now let us learn what are types of pronouns. First we have personal pronouns. Students, what are personal pronouns? The pronouns which stand for names of persons or things are called personal pronouns. In personal pronouns, we have the concept of first person, second person, and third person. Students, what is this concept? Please understand it carefully. Students, what is first person? A pronoun referring to a person speaking is said to be of the first person. I and we are first person pronouns. I is singular, we is plural. Second person pronoun. A second person pronoun is a pronoun referring to the person spoken to. So you is singular and plural both. Now third person pronoun. A pronoun referring to the person or the thing spoken of is said to be the third person pronoun. Here he, she, it is singular. These are singular pronouns and they is plural pronoun. Students, like nouns, pronouns also have the concept of subject and object. Do you remember we did noun case? We also have pronoun case, which we will understand later. Next, we have possessive pronouns. Students, possessive pronouns are pronouns which show possession or belongingness. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Students, do not get confused with possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives do take a noun after them. Possessive pronouns are used instead of a noun. Please keep this difference in your mind. Demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the objects to which they refer. For example, this, that, these, those. Students, this is a singular pronoun used for near things, things which are near. That is a singular pronoun for things which are far away. Then these is a plural pronoun for things which are near. Those is a plural pronoun for things which are far away. So please keep this in mind. Then we have interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Who, whose, whom, what, which are interrogative pronouns. Please keep in mind whose, which, what are also used as interrogative adjectives, okay, or determiners. So, for example, who teaches you English? Whose pen is this? What did he say? All these are interrogative pronouns, WH words. Students, now please pay attention. Reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. What are reflexive and emphatic pronouns? First of all, please understand that reflexive or emphatic pronouns are formed by adding the suffix self in singular and selves in plural. Now, what is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is when in a sentence the object and subject of the sentence are same person or thing. Like, I availed myself of the opportunity. He washed himself at the pool. The prisoner hanged himself. Then what is emphatic pronoun? Because students get confused. Emphatic pronoun is when we are using the self form to emphasize the noun they stand for. For example, the Prime Minister himself was present there. So here we have reflexive pronoun I hurt myself. Emphatic pronoun I myself cooked the meal. I hope you understood the difference. Now we have relative pronoun. Who, whom, whose, which, and sometimes as is used as relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to introduce relative clauses. Now, what is the difference between interrogative pronouns and relative pronouns? See here, the man who is wearing a pink shirt is my teacher. Here, who is used as a relative pronoun. Then see, who is at the door. Here, who is used as an interrogative pronoun. Now we have distributive pronouns. Students, what are distributive pronouns? Distributive pronouns refer to persons or things which are considered individually. That is, one at a time and not collectively. Each, either, neither are distributive pronouns. What are reciprocal pronouns? Students, reciprocal pronouns are pronouns which express a mutual or reciprocal relationship. Each other and one another are reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used to refer to person or things. One another is used to refer more than two persons or things. For example, we can say the two boys helped each other, or all the members of the team helped one another. Last, indefinite pronouns. Students, what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns stand for persons or things whose number and identity are not defined. They refer to the persons or things in a vague and general way. For example, some say he is a cheat. All were absent. None but the brave deserve the fair. So all these pronouns, somebody, many, none, no one, all these pronouns are indefinite pronouns. Although the concept is a bit difficult, but I hope you understood it well. Otherwise, you can watch this video twice if you do not get it once. Thank you.